नमस्कार, मैं हूं वंशिका गुर्जर और आप देख रहे हैं टेक टू रिव्यू। ये चैनल आया है सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके लिए ताकि आप हमेशा टेक्निकल चीज़ों से रहें अपडेट। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो को फिर पूरा देखिए। आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं टॉप 7 स्मार्ट वॉचेस 2021, जहां 2020 वॉज कम्प्लीटली dedicated to state of the art technology। 2021 इस रेस में है थोड़ा आगे। हम आगे बढ़ेंगे some more high end technologies and smart gadgets की तरफ जो help us to stay ahead in ever evolving world। जी, आज हम बात करेंगे छोटे मगर worthy wearable गैजेट की that can be all in one piece of equipment and that's none other than your smartwatch। आपको समय बताने के अलावा स्मार्ट वॉच आपका ऑल टाइम पार्टनर है और ये आपकी फिटनेस को ट्रैक करता है जब आप जिम में हो या आपको सुबह उठने में मदद करता है जब आपको ऑफिस पे टाइम पे जाना हो एंड मैनी सच थिंग्स दैट वी हैव टू मिस्ड मेंशन हियर and ready to launch in upcoming smartwatches in 2021। यहाँ हमने आपके लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है 7 बेस्ट एंड बेस्ट स्मार्ट वॉचेस ऑफ 2021 जिसमें हमने इंक्लूड किया है मेन एंड वुमेन दोनों को। वेदर यू आर यूजिंग एन एंड्रॉइड डिवाइस और हैविंग आईफोन एंड दिस वॉचेस विल सपोर्ट बोथ विथ द utmost perfection। So let's check out the below mentioned list। First watch is Amazfit Bip। Specifications of this watch is OS compatibility, iOS and Android, display size 1.228 inch, battery life up to 48 hours, storage is charging method, magnetic connecting, pin connectivity and V4.0 BLE, cheapest at best option in wearable gadgets। Amazfit might be the best option for you that will be catered to your requirements। It is one of the best smartwatches that comes under your budget while offering you the various options such as GPS, heart rate monitor, notifications of WhatsApp messages or emails। So is it one of the best smartwatches for women also? Pros and cons of this watch is the design resembles the Apple Watch। Second point is affordable, good battery performance। Next is comes with GPS and heart rate monitor। Next is can't respond to notification। Second is low resolution graphics। So second watch is Honor Watch Magic। Specification of this watch is OS LED compatibility, iOS Android, size 1.239 inch, battery life up to 14 days, storage 4GB, charging method magnetic connecting pin, connectivity Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC। Honor Magic is the premium looking watch that comes with the tones of high end fitness features also, affordable gift for your man and Honor Watch Magic is one of the best smart watches। So हम इसके benefits बताते हैं। Top benefits features incredible battery life, best suited for men, elegant design, water resistant, limited non-fitness features and next point is dust magnetic also। So the third watch is Fossil Sports। Specifications of this watch: OS Wear, OS compatibility, neck compatibility, iPhone, size 1.20 inch, battery life 2 days, storage 4GB, charging method perpetual connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS। So this is the first watch that comes with the Wear OS software। Also it is the first watch from the house of Fossil that somewhere matches Samsung and Apple Watch। So if you are already carrying an iPhone and looking for the best smartwatches that can support your phone, so Fossil Sport is perhaps one of the best smartwatches for iPhone। इस वॉच के बेनिफिट्स है एक्यूरेट हार्ट रेट मॉनिटर, नेक्स्ट इज लाइट वेट एंड लेटेस्ट वीआर ओएस सॉफ्टवेयर। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बैटरी लाइफ कुड बी बेटर ऑल्सो एंड So the next watch is Honor Magic Watch 2. OS lit OS compatibility, iOS, Android, size 1.2 by 1.39 inch, battery life 7 to 40 days, storage 4 GB, charging method is magnetic connecting pin connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC. So when you are looking at the list of the best smartwatches for Android or iPhone, so Honor Magic 2 will support both. And the best part of the phone is its battery life that runs for almost 14 days. Well, this watch is completely supporting fitness features. So pros and cons of this watch is amazing battery life, top fitness features, music control, call, answer, decline also, and hold option also. Next point is dust magnetic, no support to non-fitness features. So the next watch is Fitbit Versalite. Specification of this watch is OS Fitbit OS compatibility, iOS, Android, size 300 x 300 LCD, battery life up to 4 days, storage is N/A, charging method magnetic connecting pin connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So Fitbit is especially dedicated to manufacturing fitness watches, but Fitbit Versalite is the cheapest with some amazing features. This can be one of the best smartwatches for women as it comes in vibrant color also, and the design of this watch is slim, light, so it is comfortable to wear it to bed to leverage sleep tracking features. सो इसके बेनिफिट्स है, अफोर्डेबल है, अट्रैक्टिंग डिज़ाइन है, सूटेबल फॉर गर्ल्स, मल्टी डे बैटरी लाइफ, फिटनेस ट्रैकिंग फीचर्स, नो GPS, NFC, नो ऑन स्क्रीन वर्कआउट्स. सो Fitbit Versa 3 specifications are OS Fitbit OS compatibility, iOS, Android, size 1.58 inch, battery life up to 6 days, storage N/A, charging method is magnetic connecting pin connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4.1 NFC. And the Fitbit Versa 3 is a superb watch, especially if you are more focused on fitness than other smart features. It has some amazing features also, like GPS, SP02 monitoring, and numerous workout modes, and it sports a bright, crisp and clear AMOLED screen that makes it worth buying also. इस वॉच के बेनिफिट्स है, लाइट वेट है, कंफर्टेबल है, बिल्ट इन GPS and clear AMOLED screen, SP02 monitoring, no offline, Spotify, poor side button also. Next is Fossil Gen 5. Specification of this watch is OS, Wear OS compatibility, iOS, size 1.73 inch, battery life 18 hours, storage 8 GB, charging method is rapid charger connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC. When you are good on your budget and want to wear a luxury watch on other option, so can beat Fossil Gen 5. The reason behind putting this on the list of the best smartwatches for 2021, its amazing design, thanks to its sophisticated look that makes the watch stylish also. Its stainless steel body makes it one of the best smartwatches for man and woman, and its seamless performance sets it apart from other luxury and expensive options. So इसके बेनिफिट्स हैं, लाइट वेट है, कंफर्टेबल है, बिल्ट इन GPS है and clear AMOLED screen, SP02 monitoring, no offline Spotify, and the next point is poor side button also. So ये थी कुछ खास बातें. आगे भी हम ऐसी ही बेहतरीन वीडियोस आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे. पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डोंट फॉरगेट टू टैप दी बेल आइकन. थैंक यू.